So I gave you guys a guide on how to do the shopping cart trick step by step. And let's say it very quickly. Let's go through all the steps really quickly. The first thing you want to do is you want to opt into Factor Trust and a pre-screen opt out. And after that, you want to go to the credit card company like Victoria's Secrets. Go to their website, put $200 to $250 worth of items in your cart. Act like you're going to check out. Put all your information in: name, address, phone number, email address. Put all the information in, and go to the next screen. Click submit, go to shipping, go to payment. And then once you do that, you should get that pop-up saying, congratulations, you're pre-approved for a credit card. Now, I am able to do it just like that, go all the way through, but sometimes you have to wait after you opt in. And then sometimes you have to do incognito mode, but definitely check out my full video to see how it works. Now, some people have to do just more than those steps that I told you. Some people have to opt into the pre-screen opt out, and sometimes people have to do incognito mode. Sometimes people have to double check their credit reports to see what information that they're putting into that's on their credit report so that they can put that same information into the website of the credit card company. But there's multiple steps that you guys have to complete. But definitely make sure you guys watch my video so that you guys can see step by step on how to do it. And then watch my big video that have all the different credit cards with the shopping cart trick. Because if you guys want to get approved for credit cards without a hard inquiry, this can be a great route that you guys can actually go. So definitely check it out. I have a complete guide on how to do it step by step.